Hi, my name is Sydney.
My name is Oluwabameshe.
My name is Alex.
My name is Arsalan.
And this is my Knox.
This is my Knox.
This is my Knox.
This is my Knox.
So this is our cafeteria. This is our only cafeteria on campus, so it's definitely a hub for people to meet up after a long day of classes or get together in the morning and have a cup of coffee.
The caf got a renovation when I was a sophomore at Knox. They had like a completely new experience. They had different stations. They did more action stations, which is basically every other day of the week they had specific things. So like smoothies, ice cream smoothies, stir fry. They had more of like an international variety of food.
There was a lot of diversity that we experienced in terms of the food options that they offer. More vegan options, more vegetarian options, and even more variety in the number of menu options that they offer.
I was really impressed by the dining options. I'm a vegetarian and I'm always satisfied. There's plenty of options. Pizza, salad bar, basic buffet food, and then there's like international cuisine.
In my role as the diversity chair right now, we started working with the dining services to offer more international cuisines. Students came into the caf, prepared food from various countries, and it was included in the dinner menu for that day.
Our dining plan works on a sliding service, so we have swipes and then we also have dining dollars. You can use your swipes at the cafeteria or at one of our 2 grab-and-go locations, which are basically prepackaged lunches or breakfasts.
I really like grab and go. I think I do grab and go most days. There's 2 stations for grab and go on different sides of the campus. One in Post, which is a dorm hall, and one in the main building, Seymour. Pasta, salad, PB&J, and sides is a mix of drinks and snacks.
You can use your dining dollars at our C-store, which is basically our convenience store, which has everything from pizza rolls to hand soap, or you can use your dining dollars at our Gizmo, which is basically diner style. You go in and you order what you would like and they make it for you there.
I'm a heavy caf user, but then I got really busy at some point last term, so I decided to diversify and go make use of the Gizmo, and they have the breakfast burrito, which is really nice.
My favorite food is this grilled cheese from the Gizmo that has avocado in it.
My favorite thing at the Gizmo is a breakfast burrito. They are so good.
I do think over time that there's been a lot of changes and improvement that has happened to dining services at Knox. They started swipes for hunger, where if you're out of swipes, you can actually go in and request for swipes, and some students, out of the excess that they have, they've already donated swipes. I know they're trying to have more healthy options in the Gizmo. I've had a nice experience with the food that they give. I know the Doug, who is the manager, is always working to improve student experience, and he's always open to students coming in to talk to him about what they think the cafeteria can do to improve student experiences and improve the services that they offer.